We're continuing with our business card order workflow, and just so you can take a quick look at this, we created a workflow variable called delivery date, and we want to calculate 7 days from the date in which the order was placed. So let's go ahead and create a new step, and in this step we're going to calculate the delivery date. The function that we'll use for this is not do calculation, but is instead add time to date. This name is a little interesting. It makes it feel like there's a date and we're going to add like 3 p.m. to a date that already exists. Actually, you could think of this as add time to time, add date to date, or increment date or time, which is the way I tend to think about it, because everything here is a variable. I'm going to add 7, and then click somewhere else, days, to the date, and the date that I want is actually to go into the current item and to grab the date that it was created on. Now, there's also just a created field that I could use. It's also date time. Either one of those will do, but I'm going to use date created. Say OK. And as soon as I added this particular action, Microsoft SharePoint stubbed it in and included a new variable, but I want to use my own variable called delivery date because it's going to make it a lot clearer when I put this into my email message later in this workflow. So again, the action here is add time to date, but it's used to increment time on any kind of a date, whether you're adding minutes, days, hours, whatever it is you wish, and storing it in a local variable that will have the same life as the duration of the workflow.